In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find any star with the SkyView app on iPhone. Let's get started right from the home screen. First, open the SkyView app on your iPhone. This app uses your phone's sensors to map the night sky in real time, so once it loads, you'll see a live view of the sky with constellations, planets, and stars overlaid. To look up a specific star, tap the magnifying glass or search icon at the top right. This opens the search panel, which is the quickest way to jump straight to what you want without scanning the whole sky manually. From the search panel, tap Stars. You'll see star-related options. Tap Stars again to focus the results on individual stars rather than constellations or other objects. This narrows the list to exactly what we're interested in. Next, tap All to see the full list and use the search bar to type the name of the star you're looking for. If you're not sure of the exact spelling, start typing and SkyView will suggest matches as you go. This is helpful for tricky names or when you only remember part of it. At the top, you'll notice filters like Above Horizon and Below Horizon. These are great for planning. Above horizon means the star is currently up in the sky and potentially visible from your location right now. Below horizon means the star is currently beneath your local horizon and won't be visible until it rises, but you can still preview where it will be. Use these filters to set expectations so you know whether to look for it immediately or plan for a later time. Once you've found the star you want, tap it. As soon as you do, SkyView will guide you by pointing your phone toward the star and highlighting it on the screen. Follow the on-screen indicator or arrow, and move your phone slowly so the sensors can keep up. As you approach the correct direction, the app will center the star and outline it, making it obvious when you've found it. If the star is above the horizon, you'll see it highlighted in the live sky view. If it's below the horizon, SkyView will still show you the direction through the Earth, so you know where it will appear later. That's all there is to it. Open SkyView, use the search icon, choose Stars, tap Stars again, select All and search, apply the above or below horizon filter if needed. Tap your star and let the app guide your view. With these steps, you'll be locating any star with confidence in no time.